Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video we are going to unlock the mivi DuoPos m20. It's a true wireless earphone. So let's take out the package. So if we see at the box, we can see that there are some specifications on this box, like this: the high fidelity stereo and play it on, and it has very high battery life and a noise cancellation, and it has super solid bass, and it's splash resistant, and one touch pair and play. If we see at the bottom, we can see that there are manufacturer details. As you can see at the sides, there is mivi branding and mivi DuoPos m20. At top it's clear, and at this other side it's same mivi DuoPos m20. That's about the box. So now let's unbox this box. So at first we have hello mivi and its manufacturer's details, and to register the warranty, 1 year warranty. So let's keep this aside. Here's the capsule. In this we get the AirPods, and let's keep this aside and see there's another box. If we see in this box, we get the charging cable, and there's a user manual over here. See, there are some basic details about this. So let's keep all these things aside and see about this. So guys, if we keep those things aside and see at this AirPods, if we open, you can see here we have two AirPods, and let's take them from this, and they need to be paired. To pair those both, we need to keep them less than 3 centimeter of height together. You can see they are now activated. So let's pair them to my phone. Wait guys. So you can see here it displays mivi DuoPos m20. I'll select them. They are connecting, and it's asking allow mivi DuoPos m20 to connect, and they're now connected. Let's play a song and look at the experience. I'll get you back at a moment by hearing some songs, guys. So guys, they are very nice, and you can see here's a bud, and if we get our phone here, if we touch once, the song gets paused and it resumes. If we touch and hold this, the Siri or Google Assistant wakes by using them by pressing and holding, but there is no Google Assistant in this phone. And if we press twice, the song will be skipped, and if you pressed on the left side, it will go to the previous track, and if you press twice on the right side, it will go to the next track. So this about these mivi earbuds, guys. Thank you. Please like